Okay, students. So, what we have to discuss today, we have to discuss our exercise, that is exercise 2.3. So, before starting this exercise, you should know how we are doing the multiplication. Okay, when any fraction number is given to us, how we are doing the multiplication. So, in the previous class, also in the previous video, but I have sent to you all. In that video, we have discussed how we are doing the multiplication. For example, we are having two fraction, 2 upon 3, and another fraction is 4 upon 7. So how we are doing multiplication? We are multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 2 multiplied by 4 upon 3 multiplied by 7. So it is 4 2s are 8 and 3 7s are 21. If you can reduce it, you can reduce it in the lowest form. Okay, no need to write this statement. This I'm telling to you only for your clearance. You can just directly write it as 4 2s are 8, 3 7s are 21. Okay, in the previous exercise also we have discussed regarding the off sign. Okay, I'm saying 1/4 of half. So what is the meaning of off? I have told you 1/4 will be as it is. Instead of we will put multiplication sign and half. Now 1 is multiplied by 1, 1 ones are 1 and 4 twos are 8. Okay. So similarly we will do our exercise. Just see our exercise, that is exercise 2.3. Question number first is find 1/4 of a part is 1/4. So how you will solve it? Just see here. Find 1/4 of 1/4. So you will solve it as 1/4 multiply by 1/4. Okay. So the answer is 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. Okay. Similarly, you will solve rest of the part. Same. Rest two parts you will solve like that. So just see the second part. In second part, we are having 1/7 of 2 upon 9. Okay. इसी का second part है 1/7 of 2 upon 9. So same we will do. 1/7 instead of multiplication sign 2 upon 9. So 2 ones are 2. Okay. 7 nines are it is 62. So that is our answer. What we are doing? We are generally doing the multiplication. We are multiplying it. So now see our next question. What is our next question? Question number second. Right now, just understand, beta, how to solve these questions. Okay, afterward, try to solve them. Yes, just see question number second. Question number second is multiply and reduce to lowest form. If possible, you have to reduce it in the lowest form. See the first part. Question number second ka first part. What first part is? 2 upon 3 multiply by 2 whole 2 upon 3. So just see how we are going to solve it. It is 2 upon 3 multiply by 2 whole 2 upon 3. This 2 whole 2 upon 3, this mixed fraction you need to convert it. Okay. So how we are converting it? 3 2s are 6, 7 and 8. 8 upon 3. Okay. So 8 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. Now check it if you can reduce it in the lowest form. Okay. If it is possible for reducing it in the lowest form, then it is okay. If it is not possible, then convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay, how to convert? Just see. It is 9 ones are 9. Okay, what is the remaining term? That is 7 upon 9. So this is the way you can convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, let us see one more part. Just see third part. Okay, we will discuss third part. Third part is 3 upon 8 multiply by 6 upon 4. Just see how we are solving it. 3 upon 8 multiplied by 6 upon 4. So just see, we can convert it into the reduced form here also. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now you can multiply 3 3s are 9, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so simply what you need to do? You need to do the multiplication. Okay, and if it is possible, then convert it into the reduced form. Yes, question number third. See, question number third. Question number third is multiply the following fractions. You need to multiply the following fractions. All questions are same. Okay, all questions are same. What you need to do? You need to just do the multiplication. So just see how you are going to multiply it. 2 upon 5, it will be as it is. Okay, now convert it into the form is in the mixed fraction. So 5 4s are 20 and 21 upon 4. Okay, now see if anything can be cancelled out. This one, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So your answer will be 21 upon 10. You can also write into the reduced form. It is 2 whole 1 upon 10. Okay, in the mixed fraction you can write it. Okay, let us see one more example so that the question is more clear to you all. Just see seventh part. It is 3 whole 4 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve it. 3 whole 4 upon 7. It is 7 is 21 and plus 4. It is 25 upon 7. And it needs to multiply by 3 upon 5. Now, if you can convert it into the reduced form, yes. 5 5s are 25. Now 5 3s are 15 and upon 7. Now again you can convert it into the next fraction. 7 2s are 14, 1 upon 7. So that is your answer. So similarly, you can solve rest of the question. Question number 1, 2, 3. इसके rest of the parts you can solve. Okay. See question number 4. Question number 4 is which is greater? Okay, what is given to you? Which one is greater? और दिया क्या है? A statement is here 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4. That first part 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4. And you have to compare it with 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. Okay, these two you need to compare. आपको इन दोनों को क्या करना है? कंपेयर करना है. So before comparing it, इनको कंपेयर करने से पहले आपको क्या करना है? You need to solve them. Okay, so just see how you are going to solve it. 2 upon 7 into 3 upon 4. Okay, you can reduce it also, or you can do the multiplication also. Okay, just do the multiplication. 3 to the 6. Okay, 7 4 it is 28. Now see here also, it is 3 upon 5 into, it will be 5 upon 8. Just reduce it. So it will be 3 upon 8. Now second step, what you will do? Second step क्या है? Just do the cross multiplication. Okay, 6 into 8 और यहाँ पे हो गया आपका 28 into 3. When you are doing the cross multiplication, what you are getting? It is 48. It is 84. So which one is the greater one? Now easily you can find it out that 3 upon 5 or 5 upon 8, it is greater than 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4. Okay, similarly let us discuss one more part. Second part also we will discuss. Second part is, just see the second part. What second part is? See your book, question number 4. Second part is half of 6 upon 7 or 2 upon 3 of 3 upon 7. These two parts, what you need to do, you need to solve and check which one is the greater one. Okay, now the same step to check it. Half of 6 upon 7. So now you can reduce it. It is 3 upon 7. Here also you can check 2 upon 3 of 3 upon 7. 3 will be cancelled out. So it is 2 upon 7. Okay. Now which one is the greater one? Denominator is same. You can easily know that this one is the greater one. So half of 6 upon 7 is greater than 2/3 of 3 upon 7. Okay. So this way you can easily find it out which one is the greater one. See question number 5. Shelly planted 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4. Find the distance between first and last sapling. Okay, so how many sapling she is planting? 4 sapling. Okay, तो इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से समझ लो. Number of sapling 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sapling she is planting. Then the distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is the distance between two adjacent saplings. Now see, how many saplings she has planted? 4. And the gap between them is 3. Okay, so how we'll do? Number of sapling she planted. So the number of saplings she planted, it is 4. Okay. So gap between two sapling. What is the gap between two sapling? It is 3 upon 4 meter. Now here the question is 4 saplings she has planted. Yes, the gap between them is 3. Okay, 4 sapling and the total gap, that is 1, 2 and 3 gap. Okay, so number of gap between them, between 1 to 4 sapling, it is 3. Number of sapling is 4, but gap between them is 3 only. So what the question is, find the distance between first and last sapling. So gap between first and last sapling is number of gap 3 and gap between two sapling is 3 upon 4. Okay, so it is 3 3s are 9, 4 1. Here it is 1. If it is nothing, then it is 1. 4 1s are 4. It is 9 upon 4 meter. Or you can convert it into the mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8, 1 upon 4, and it is meter. Okay, so this is our question number 5. Now see what question number 6 is. Lipika reads a book for 1 3 upon 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours all were required to read the book? Okay, so what question number 6 is? What is given in question number 6? Lipika reads a book for 1 whole 3 upon 4 hours every day. Okay, so time taken by Lipika to read book every day. Okay, so what is the time taken by Lipika to read every day? It is 1 whole 3 upon 4. So when we are converting is 4 1 the 4, 5 6 7, 7 upon 4 hours. Okay, so she read the entire book in 6 days. Okay, number of days to read entire book. So number of days is 6 days. What is the number of days? It is 6 days. Now what the question is, in how many hours she requires to read the book? Okay, number of days is given to you, number of hours every day is given to you. What the question is, total number of hours required every day. Total number of hours required by Lipika to read the book. So what is the total number of hours required by? It is days multiplied by hours every day. Now when we are solving it, we can also reduce it. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 3 7s are 21 upon 2. So it is 10 whole 1 upon 2 hours. Okay, so simply what we are doing, we are multiplying both. Okay, on reading the question, you can easily know what you have to do. Okay, now see next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, a car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. Okay, so distance covered by car for covering distance covered by car in 1 liter petrol. It is 16 kilometer. Now the question is, how much distance covered using 2 whole 3 upon 4 liter of petrol? Okay, so distance covered by what the question is here, 2 whole 3 upon 4 liter petrol. So what you will do here again? Again you will multiply. 16 will be multiplied by 2 whole 3 upon 4. Now 16 multiplied by 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11 upon 4. Now you can reduce it also. So it is 44 kilometer. Okay. So what you are doing again here? You are doing the multiplication. Okay, see last question. This question number 8 in your books. What the question number is? What the question is? Provide the number in the box such that this will be equal to 10 upon 30. 2 upon 3 will be equals to 10 upon 30. So you have to provide a number there. You have to write a number there so that the multiplication will be 10 upon 30. Here again, in second part, you have to find a number so that you can multiply that number with 3 upon 5. The result will be 24 upon 75. Okay, you have to find that number. आपको नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जिसकी मल्टीप्लाई 3 अपॉन 5 से करें तो रिजल्ट क्या आ जाए 24 अपॉन 70. सेम हियर आपको एक ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जिसकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 अपॉन 3 से करें तो नंबर आ जाए 10 अपॉन 30. ओके, सो किससे करेंगे? देखो 5 2 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन किससे करेंगे कि 10 आ जाए? 5. 3 मल्टीप्लिकेशन किससे करेंगे? 10. तो किससे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे आप? 5 अपॉन 10 से. ठीक है, किससे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे? 5 अपॉन 10. एंड द नंबर सो ऑब्टेन उसकी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म होगी दैट इज 1 अपॉन 2. अगेन similarly you will find here also second part also. Okay, so this is all regarding our exercise, that is exercise 2.3.